Hey, to turn on a live call translate on a Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, first of all, you will have to go into the settings. Now you will have to move for Galaxy AI. And first of all, when you open it, you'll have to actually log in with your Samsung account, or for example, by using your current Google account. So, there's like two options how you can do this. If you don't have Samsung account, you can actually use the same Google account that you are using on the phone. And once you actually sign in with your Google account, let's say, then you will have to actually send this, verification code. The verification code will be sent into your phone number that is actually linked into your Google account, and then you will have to just input this code right here. And once you actually finish, you will have to click on the call assistant, and you will have to turn it on by clicking on this switcher. And this is also a short preview how it actually looks on your phone screen. Take a look. There will be like the button that you will have to click, but you can for sure adjust this. Here you can find the language, your voice. You can also mute your voice, so the other person will only hear a translation of what you say. And there's also option to set the other person language, voice, and the same, you will only hear a translation of what the other person says. And right here, there's the language and the voice presets for each person. So here you can actually set it up. Then you can just go back and you can start calling and use this call assistant. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.